got a super built Nissan GT-R. Thing is sick. Upgraded turbos, full race car. It's probably pushing like 1,500 horsepower. It's outrageous. It already has a full catback exhaust. As you guys can see, a full 4-inch mid-pipe, which is absolutely outrageous. Standard is 3.5. This one's 4-inch. So this is diesel pipe on this thing. And what we're doing is just mocking up. He has some upgraded turbos on there with some 3.5-inch downpipes, and the stock flanges don't fit, so we're chopping it. We're mocking these 3.5-inch flanges up to his downpipes and then popping them on there so we could set up his midsection. Now this car is in limp mode right now because there's no exhaust. So once we get it up on there, hopefully we can get some revs out of it so you guys hear what this thing sounds like. If you're eager to hear what it sounds like, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and you know, share this with your friends because this thing's nasty. 1,500 horsepower GT-R, baby. Got the GT-R done. We got this thing mocked up, fully built GT-R. This thing's sick. So we mocked up the flanges. Gio set all that thing up. That guy Senor Fabricado, my boy. So show him, Gio. So yeah, we got this thing set up. The guy did not want to buy a new midsection, so we made it fit. This is what we do at Gexhaust. We make things fit. You need something fabricated, we got you guys. Just come through. You know, we agree about a price, and we'll make anything happen for you exhaust-wise. So, like I said, 3.5-inch downpipes. We retrofitted to his 3-inch midsection that he has. We swapped out the flanges, popped some gaskets in there so it doesn't leak, so these turbos can breathe. All right, these are some monster turbos. This car is running about 1,500 horsepower, and it's sick. So I'm gonna drop it. I don't know how much revving I can give it, but it's gonna sound pretty sweet. So I'm not sure what kind of catback this is. There's no real branding on it, but 4-inch mid-pipe is pretty damn serious. The tips look awesome. This is a Nismo. These are numbered cars, guys. So, you know, if you're looking for a GT-R, look for the Nismo. That's the one you want to get right there. So I'm gonna drop it, crank it. Let me know what you guys think. So the GT-R is all done. Unfortunately, we cannot rev it. He's gonna fix up the tune. He's gonna come back and give it some revs. You guys can see the air intakes coming in right here by the grill. You got powered by VTEC. Now you know, all right? VTEC power on this thing. It's pretty sick. So if you got a Honda, you're trying to make some power, that's it. VTEC, baby. Got the blow-off valves right there. You got an oil catch can with a little filter by K&N. And you guys saw the turbos. They're fucking massive. They look sick. So GT-R is pushing about 1,500 horsepower. Pretty awesome. This is a Nismo, like I said, and unfortunately we can't get no revs right now because it's detuned, but as soon as he tunes it, he's gonna come back, give us some revs. Let us know what you think, guys.